Ever bought something online and wished you could spread the cost a little? Maybe a new pair of shoes, a gadget you've been eyeing, or even just everyday essentials. We've all been there, right? That's where by now, pay later services like Zip Pay come in. They promise to make purchases more manageable by splitting them into smaller, more digestible payments. But there's always that one question lurking in the back of our minds. Is there a catch? Specifically, does using these services affect our credit score? Today, we're diving deep into Zip Pay to answer that very question. Is there a credit check to use Zip Pay? By now, Pay Later, or BNPL, has exploded in popularity in recent years. It offers a seemingly simple solution to managing finances, allowing you to get what you want now and pay for it later, often interest-free if you stick to the repayment schedule. This convenience has made it a popular choice, especially among younger demographics. But behind the convenience lies a system that relies on assessing your ability to repay. And that's where credit checks often come into play. So, let's focus on Zip Pay. What exactly is it? Zip Pay is a digital payment service that allows you to make purchases online and in-store and pay for them in installments. It essentially extends you a line of credit, which you then repay over time. This differs from traditional credit cards in a few key ways, most notably the often interest-free periods and the typically lower credit limits. Now, the million-dollar question, does Zip Pay perform a credit check? The short answer is yes, but it's not quite as straightforward as a traditional hard credit check you'd encounter when applying for a mortgage or a large loan. Zip Pay typically conducts what is known as a soft credit check or a credit inquiry. What's the difference between a hard and soft credit check? This is crucial to understanding the impact on your credit score. A hard credit check occurs when a lender reviews your credit report as part of a loan or credit application. These checks can have a small, temporary negative impact on your credit score, especially if you have multiple hard inquiries within a short period. This is because multiple inquiries can suggest to lenders that you are actively seeking credit, which could indicate financial instability. A soft credit check, on the other hand, is a less invasive review of your credit history. It often happens when you check your own credit report, when a business pre-approves you for offers, or, in the case of Zip Pay, when you apply for an account. Importantly, soft credit checks do not affect your credit score. They are simply a way for the company to get a general overview of your creditworthiness. So, when you apply for a Zip Pay account, they will likely perform a soft credit check. This allows them to assess your credit history, including your payment history and any outstanding debts, to determine your eligibility for a Zip Pay account and to set your spending limit. This is a standard practice for most BNPL providers. However, it's important to understand that while the initial check is soft, certain actions with your Zip Pay account can lead to information being reported to credit reporting agencies. This is where things can get a little more nuanced and potentially impact your credit score. If you consistently miss payments or default on your Zip Pay account, Zip Pay may report these negative marks to credit reporting agencies. These negative reports can then have a detrimental effect on your credit score, just like missed payments on a credit card or loan. This is a crucial point to remember. While the initial check is soft and doesn't directly impact your score, your behavior with the account absolutely can. It's also worth noting that Zip Pay may use other methods to assess your creditworthiness besides just a soft credit check. This might include verifying your identity, looking at your banking history, or using other data points to build a picture of your financial situation. This is all part of their process to minimize risk and ensure that users can responsibly manage their accounts. So, to recap, Zip Pay performs a soft credit check when you apply, which does not directly impact your credit score. However, failing to make repayments can lead to negative marks being reported to credit reporting agencies, which can negatively affect your credit score. Now, let's address some common misconceptions surrounding BNPL services and credit scores. One common myth is that using BNPL services is inherently bad for your credit. This isn't necessarily true. Using BNPL responsibly, by making payments on time and within the agreed terms, will not harm your credit score. In fact, some argue that responsible use of various credit products, including BNPL, can actually demonstrate good financial management. Another misconception is that closing a BNPL account will immediately improve your credit score. While closing and used credit accounts can sometimes have a positive impact, it's not a guaranteed solution. The primary factors affecting your credit score are your payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. Simply closing a BNPL account won't magically erase any past negative marks or significantly boost your score. So, what are the key takeaways? Firstly, ZipPay does perform a soft credit check upon application, which does not directly impact your credit score. Secondly, responsible use of ZipPay is crucial. Making timely payments will not negatively affect your credit, but missed payments can have a detrimental impact. Thirdly, be mindful of how many BNPL services you use concurrently. While each individual service might only perform a soft check initially, managing multiple accounts can become challenging and increase the risk of missed payments. If you're considering using ZipPay or any other BNPL service, it's essential to be aware of the terms and conditions, understand the repayment schedule, and ensure you can comfortably manage the repayments within your budget. Treat it like any other financial commitment and prioritize making payments on time. Using BNPL services like ZipPay can be a convenient way to manage purchases, but it's important to understand how they operate and how they might interact with your credit history. The key is responsible usage. As long as you're making your payments on time, you shouldn't have any negative consequences on your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.